Have you ever found yourself wondering if you could actually make real money online? With the computer you're using right this second? We're not talking about a few pennies here and there. We're talking about a genuine income. Well, the answer is a big yes, and we're about to show you exactly how.
Just think about it for a second. What if that laptop or phone in front of you wasn't just for scrolling through social media, but for actually earning? Whether you just want a little extra cash on the side or a whole new way to make a living, the tools you need are literally at your fingertips. And let's be super clear about something right up front. This is not about those sketchy, get-rich-quick promises you see all over the internet. Nope. We're digging into legitimate, proven methods that people use every single day to earn some serious cash. We're talking as much as $100 a day, sometimes even more. And the best part? You can get started without having to quit your day job. Okay, so here's the most important thing you need to understand. Making money online isn't just about finding a random list of websites. It really all boils down to a fundamental choice between two very different strategies. Figuring out which of these two paths is right for you, that's the real first step.
And here they are: active income versus passive income. Now, active income is pretty straightforward. It's like any normal job. You trade your time directly for money. If you stop working, you stop getting paid. Simple. Passive income, though, that's a whole different ball game. And for a lot of people, this is the ultimate goal. You do the hard work once to build some kind of asset, and that asset, in theory, just keeps earning you money long after you finish the work.
All right, let's dive into that first path, active income, or what I like to call the get paid now route. This is for anybody who wants to take the skills they already have and start earning money like right away. If you've got a skill, trust me, there's a platform out there just waiting for you.
You've probably heard of places like Upwork and Fiverr. These are just massive online marketplaces that connect freelancers with clients who need work done. You can find gigs for pretty much any skill you can think of: writing, editing videos, designing logos, seriously, you name it. The real key to success here? You gotta invest some time in building out a really strong, detailed profile. Showing off your best work is what's gonna make you stand out from the crowd and land those jobs.
But hey, it's not all just about digital stuff, There are platforms like Rover where you can get paid to watch someone's dog. We're talking potentially $100 a night just to hang out with a cute pet. Or on sites like Take Lessons, you can teach basically any skill you have, whether it's another language, a musical instrument, or even something like advanced calculus. You have knowledge that someone else is willing to pay for.
Okay, so we've talked about trading time for money. Now let's switch gears and talk about building your own money machine with passive income. This is the long game. It's all about putting in that work up front to create something that generates money for you down the road, so you're not constantly just trading hours for dollars.
A perfect example of how these two paths work can be found inside just one single company: Amazon. Now, just ignore the arrows here for a second and think of these as a menu of options. On the active income side, you've got Amazon MTurk, which is for doing small online tasks. But on the passive side, well, that's where it gets really interesting. Amazon has things like Kindle Publishing, where you sell your own ebooks, and their Associates program, where you make a commission just for promoting products.
And just to give you an idea of the kind of potential we're talking about here, get this. Some creators are earning over $100,000 a year just from publishing ebooks on Amazon Kindle. You don't need a fancy publisher anymore. You just need a great idea. You create the asset, the book, one time, and it can keep selling for years and years, generating that passive income.
And going beyond Amazon, there's the whole world of affiliate marketing. Basically, you promote other people's stuff, and when someone buys it through your link, you get a cut of the sale. On Amazon, that commission might be something like 5 to 10%. But if you go to a digital marketplace like ClickBank, which focuses on things like online courses, the commissions can be as high as 75%. You're essentially a salesperson for a product you never even had to create.
All right, this next one's for all you creatives out there. Platforms like YouTube or Shutterstock are amazing ways to turn your creative talents into passive income. So on Shutterstock, you can upload high-quality photos, video clips, or even music, and every single time someone downloads your work, you get paid. Or think about YouTube. Once you get your channel monetized, your videos can earn ad revenue 24/7, long after you first uploaded them.
Another really popular model is something called dropshipping. It's a pretty fascinating way to run an online store where you sell products without ever having to physically touch them. The process is actually pretty simple. You set up an online store, a customer buys something, and then you just pass that order on to the manufacturer, and they ship it directly to the customer. You're just the middleman, and your profit is whatever markup you set.
So, we've looked at two really different ways to make money online. You can either get paid right now, or you can build an asset for the future. And all of this information, it really just boils down to one simple, very personal question.
So I want you to ask yourself, are you the freelancer? Are you ready to put your existing skills to work and start earning money right away? Or are you the builder? Are you willing to invest your time up front to create something that could pay off for years and years to come? There's no right or wrong answer here, only the one that fits your goals, your timeline, and honestly, your personality.
So at the end of the day, the biggest takeaway here isn't a list of websites. It's a shift in how you think about this. Your journey to making money online doesn't start with some lucky click. It starts with a single, strategic choice about the kind of earner you want to be. So what choice are you going to make?